Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix Google Meet network connection problem internet error. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection and make sure you have a stable connection with sufficient bandwidth. Over here, try accessing other websites to see if they load correctly. After that, restart your router and give it a few minutes to reboot. Then restart your device, whether you're using Google Meet on your phone or computer. Over here, close and reopen the app or browser you're using for Google Meet. After that, restart your entire device to clear any temporary software hiccups. Then head over to your device settings and make sure Google Meet has access to your camera and microphone. Over here, clear the cache and data from your browser or Google Meet app. After that, check if you're using the latest version of the Google Meet app and update it if needed. Finally, if the problem still isn't fixed, reach out to your IT support team or contact your network provider for further help. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.